Hello and welcome back to We Food Hard. This week we're going to be making a buffalo chicken pizza. Okay, so before we get started, I would just like to take a second and say, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do. You don't want to miss any of the pizzas or any of the cool stuff we have coming out. After you do watch this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it, and we would really appreciate that, and it would definitely help us out a lot. So if you didn't see our video last week of our bacon blue cheeseburger, I highly suggest you check it out. I was really blown away by what the blue cheese did to the pizza, and I needed basically another reason to put blue cheese on a pizza, so I figured buffalo chicken pizza would be the perfect excuse. So I will walk you through the ingredients real fast before we get started. So rather than using a pizza sauce, I'm going to be using a buffalo wing sauce for the dough. I also have chicken that I cooked at 400 degrees for about 22 minutes, and then I just chopped it up into some chicken chunks, put a little bit of that wing sauce on the chicken. I'm not going to put a ton of the buffalo sauce on the dough, but I still want that buffalo flavor to come through. I have some full-fat shredded mozzarella cheese that I shredded myself, and then we're going to top it off with the blue cheese. So without further ado, let's get this thing built. Okay, so now that our pizza is built, we're going to throw it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. I learned last week that blue cheese actually does form like a nice golden brown, melts out just a little bit, so we're going to be watching for that, and the mozzarella to melt out, and our crust to have a nice golden brown to it. So we will see you when this thing is done. Okay, so our buffalo chicken pizza just got out of the oven. This thing looks awesome. The crust is a nice golden brown. The mozzarella has melted out pretty nicely. The blue cheese has a nice golden brown to it as well. I'll get you guys a good look at this pizza here. It looks beautiful and it smells even better. I cannot wait to try this. So before I cut into it, I just want to say again, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do. If you liked this video or you found it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Now, time for the crust test. Still crispy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, work hard, food harder. That is awesome. Get that blue cheese flavor, the buffalo chicken. Wow, this was awesome. We'll see you next time.